Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? One. Kamusta ka? Ka-mus-ta ka. Kamusta ka? Meaning, hello or how are you? Ikaw. 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 Meaning, you. Magandang hapon. Ma-gan-dang hapon. Magandang hapon. Meaning, good afternoon. Kanya. 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 Meaning, his or her. This one is commonly used for crush. Sukli. 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 Meaning, change. Lakad. 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 Meaning, walk. Lababo. 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 Meaning, kitchen sink. Sapatos. 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 Meaning, shoes. Araw. 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 Meaning, sun or day. Palabas. 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 Meaning, show. Tatlo. Tatlo. Meaning, three. Panyo. 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 Meaning, handkerchief. Bubong. 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 Meaning, roof. Susi. 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 Meaning, key. Mabuti. 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 Meaning, good. Mura. 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 Meaning, cheap or inexpensive. Trabaho. 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 Meaning, work or job. Gusto ko. Gusto ko. Gusto ko. Meaning, I want. Ilaw. 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 Meaning, light. Kaibigan. Bote. 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 Kaibigan. Meaning, bottle. Kaibigan. 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 Meaning, friend. Madumi. 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 Meaning, dirty or untidy. Simula. 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 Meaning, beginning or start. Bigay. 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 Meaning, give. Maingay. 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 Meaning, noisy. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!